Don't touch me.
Step back.
Don't touch me.
I know what you're trying to do.
Don't touch me.
Step back.
Step back from what?
Stop and listen.
For what? What am I doing
listen.
wrong? What am I doing against the law?
See, I used to back the blue. This is why people give up on y'all. Y'all harass.
Okay.
You know, citizens are first.
That's your opinion.
It's right. It's my right. It's the Constitution.
Nice to meet you. Are you Officer Hill?
Yes, sir.
This gentleman here is confused about county and city property. He said it's private, right?
First of all,
You said it. I'm done talking to you. Shut up, please. This officer here told me that.
What happened, honestly, I'm going to use my right, my Fifth Amendment right, because you guys have made me, after what you guys did to me.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to dive into a very practical topic: citizen rights when interacting with the police. Have you ever been asked to show your ID without knowing the reason? Or been kicked out of a public place just for filming? Or simply had the police knock on your door without a search warrant? These situations may seem simple, but if you don't fully understand your rights, it's easy to feel confused or end up at a disadvantage. In this video, I will walk you through 4 real-life situations, where ordinary citizens like you and me knew how to properly use the law to protect their rights. These conversations between citizens and the police not only help us learn the law in a more relatable way, but also show that when we know our rights, we can handle situations calmly and with mutual respect. Stay tuned to learn more about legal behavior, and more importantly, how to contribute to building a transparent, civilized society that respects human rights. I hope these situations help us better understand our rights and how to protect them when interacting with the police.
Don't touch me.
Step back.
Don't touch
I know
me.
what you're trying to do.
Don't touch me.
Step back.
Step back from what? What am I
and
doing
listen.
wrong? What am I doing against the law?
In June 2021, a citizen went to the Brown Deer Police Station to film and learn about police vehicles and the process for filing complaints. Under the First Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, the right to film in public spaces is a legal right and is only restricted if there is clear violation or danger. The filmer asked the police to point out any trespassing signs if they wanted him to leave, and requested the names and badge numbers of the officers. This is the legal right of citizens when interacting with the police. Officers are required to provide this information upon request according to public servant accountability regulations. If officers refuse, it could be a violation of citizens' oversight rights, especially when filming in public, which is protected by the First Amendment.
Trespassing.
Yeah.
Where's the trespassing sign?
I know you're recording and trying
Where's the trespassing sign? Where's the trespassing sign? Back
front
over.
corner of the building.
What does that have to do with the parking lot?
Nobody's allowed back here.
Where does
Unless
it say
you're
that
an
at?
employee.
Where?
Corner.
Show me.
You walk right
I'm not
past
finna go look and try to find what you're telling me there's a sign. Show me the sign.
Right, what is
What's
it?
your name and your badge
What's
number?
with the
What's your name and your badge number?
There's a corner
What's your
sign.
name and your badge number?
You're being
What's your name and your badge
Do not
number?
snoop around
What's your
these
name and your
cars.
badge number?
Time to go.
What's your name and your badge number? Don't touch me, sir.
Step off.
What's your name and your badge number?
To leave. Get around the
Are you
employees'
not a
cars
public
with your
official?
camera.
Are you not a public
Can I ask you
official?
that?
Are you not supposed to identify yourself? Officer who?
334.
Lozano
Clearly see
334.
who I
And
am.
you're who?
Hanson, batch 340. Which
Now
can
you
see.
identify. Okay.
The front, right,
Right
over
in the
there.
corner.
Would you be able to show me?
Yeah, so we can walk up.
Because you shouldn't say nothing to me when you saw me. No, I came to film my public police department. That's it. I walked back here. You didn't say a word. Something is beyond me. Will you show me where the sign is, sir? Would it be possible? I don't need to listen to you, sir. I'm trying to find where the sign is. No, it doesn't matter why I'm being stopped. All you gotta do is show me the sign. To me, sir. I'm just looking for the sign. I'm just looking for the sign. Your word means nothing. Good citizen. He's just called for a supervisor. Talking about. Only, I'm not parking. I don't have a vehicle at all. I haven't parked back here.
It's two
no,
different
sir.
things.
Where's the trespassing sign? I know that's parking with me in a public parking lot.
No,
there's a
it's-
difference.
It's two different
No,
things.
no, no. Yes, that's one thing. Where's
Parking.
trespassing?
Are you an employee?
No,
for the building
employee
around here?
parking only. I haven't parked back here, sir.
No, it's restricted.
No, no, no.
Parking.
Parking.
Yes.
It doesn't
Okay.
say that this is public
First clause.
property. It doesn't say I can't walk back here.
First clause.
There is no
Second
clause.
clause, okay.
Listen, Brown Deer Police Department
Sure.
is public property.
The
You
main
guys have
lobby,
to
not-
restrict the
not
areas you don't
parking.
want people to come back. You have to restrict them. Like that you park in. This is public. This is publicly
this
accessible.
part right here.
Where's the restriction signs back to tell me?
I don't know how many times I have to explain it to
It's
you, sir.
just parking. You got the sign right there, guys. Look, restricted parking, restricted area, do not enter.
Okay.
Not restricted parking. This is publicly accessible. All this is open to the public, which means I can film. Okay. So therefore, if I'm walking on the public property, it ain't trespassing. Employees, I'm not parking back here. I'm not parking back here at all. I'm simply walking. Activity of recording in public, and this is a public parking lot. All this is not restricted. It's parking, restricted parking. I have business. Don't touch me.
Stop.
Don't touch me.
Step back.
Don't touch me.
I know what you're trying to do.
Don't touch me.
Step back.
For what? What am
Stop
I
and
doing
listen.
wrong? What am I doing against the law?
You're not.
What's your name and badge number? Captain what?
Captain
Schmitz. What's your badge number?
305.
305. Thank you, sir. That is restricted. This is open to the public. I'm walking. To get your man's here.
No, hold on a second.
Get your
You're
man's
not
here.
telling the whole story.
Ask your captain. No, I don't. Your captain is right here. I'm not breaking any laws. I don't want to hear your side, liar.
Why don't you just talk to me, okay?
I don't want to hear your side, liar.
So,
Thank you.
can I
Go find someone else to pick on. You got the wrong citizen today, sir. No, I didn't need any help. I did tell your officer I didn't need any help, that I didn't need any help. And I informed him that. I simply was looking for your undercover vehicles. Done. He seen me, he didn't say nothing. Awesome, awesome job. Right there, triple neck shouldn't be trying to enforce no laws because I broke no law. Simply recording. That's it.
All right.
My First Amendment protected activity. Triple neck that.
All right. Will do.
That's all I'm
Appreciate it.
saying.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
The citizen asked the police to explain why they were being asked to leave a public area without a valid reason. He emphasized that without a legal violation, the police have no right to make him leave. The filmer asked for information on the trespassing signs, and when this wasn't provided, he argued that there could be a lack of transparency. Under the First Amendment, citizens have the right to film and oversee the police in public. Police must have a valid reason before asking a citizen to leave. Asking for clarification from the police is legal and necessary to ensure accountability.
They're right here, sir. You can learn a whole lot from that officer right there, Chief. Teach him the law. I hope you're in there training that officer right now. Did we learn something today as an officer, as a public servant? That if no law is broken, you have no authority, sir. Before you even attempted to make an explanation, you didn't even try, you just told me to leave the property. I hope you learned something today, thank you. We gotta learn these officers, man. It's a total abuse of authority, sir. It's a complete abuse of authority when I did nothing. Your one officer saw me, it almost done. Like right now, I'm done. I'm leaving, I'm done now. I was almost finished when he did his whole little, other officer watched me the whole time and just left me be. That was awesome. That is what we're looking for. That's what it should be. Because we are citizens, we do have rights.
I have a question for you.
Yes, sir.
If you don't mind. If you were in, let's say, an apartment complex and you're looking in cars, wouldn't you want the law enforcement to call up and check to see why they're doing it?
Apartment building, and so it's publicly accessible, but that is private property on a private residence.
I get it, but
the citizens pay for all this.
Private citizens park there. You understand what I'm saying?
The complex, that would be almost justifiable for you guys coming and making sure everything's okay.
Let's
justifiable.
Let's change it to
Yes, sir.
in the front of this the swimming pool is.
Okay.
Now I have someone going around looking into cars. I don't know what their intentions are. I mean, we've had a lot of car break-ins in the last couple of weeks.
That makes
Where
sense.
they're smashing on cars. So I think that was probably his intent.
Is looking in the car against the law.
It's
Now, whether you
but
guys deem it
it's-
suspicious or not, that's on you guys.
Well, the suspicion.
No. I said it's understandable and
reasonable.
justifiable if you guys were to come and see if everything's okay. It's understandable and might even be justifiable. I get that,
So these are
but it
private
doesn't.
citizen vehicles back
But it
there.
still doesn't make it lawful. Law saying I can't look in a car.
So you
There's
have-
no law whatsoever,
So
sir.
all you need is reasonable suspicion.
Looking into a car. What's the crime
I will
of
tell
looking
you.
into a vehicle?
I'll explain it to you. you have reasonable suspicion that someone's
Of a crime.
about to commit a crime,
Have.
has committed a crime, things that you look for. So one person, so if we have cars that are being broken into the area and they're going up and down, up and down, up and down the roads, looking into vehicles, one would say that's a reasonable suspicion that someone is looking. And
It's
so I would have that.
it's justifiable for you to come and ask a couple questions as to what my conduct into those vehicles, but I don't even have to answer you because it's nothing against the law.
Basically an F5 stop.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
We're saying the same
Exactly.
thing.
But once your officer seen that I wasn't doing anything, left me alone. The fact that he continued to kick me off the property
But at what point
is the issue.
you to find out what you were up to?
Well,
Sort of, so he didn't have to sit
when
there
you
and
came
watch
out, you seen I was already all the way up here before he even attempted to see what I was doing. He asked if I needed help. I said, no, thank you. Got to get out of here. That's what he said right out the gate. He didn't ask what I was doing. He didn't even do a proper investigation on anything. Leave. This whole little tidbit was me trying to see the trespassing sign. And he wouldn't show me the trespassing sign. Lozano, okay, yeah. He showed me that sign. The other officer didn't even show me it. The other Lozano did. And so that was my whole point to it. If he saw that I was doing nothing, he should just left me alone. Off of public property is unlawful, sir.
I will look at his body camera. And see
Please do.
We'll train him on it.
I appreciate that very much. Thank you so much, Mr. Schmidt.
Yep.
I appreciate your time and your simply just looking for undercover cars.
Okay.
That's it and that's all. Have a wonderful.
The right to oversee and request transparency from the police is a legal right for every citizen. What do you think about the filmer's behavior in this situation? Share your thoughts in the comments so we can discuss together. It's moments like these that make citizens reconsider the trust they place in law enforcement.
See, I used to back the blue. This is why people give up on y'all. Y'all harass. Okay. It's right. It's my right. It's the Constitution.
In July 2022 in Arkansas, a citizen was informed by the police that they had received a trespass warning from the Jacksonville City Hall, but no clear reason was given. The individual refused to sign the notice and did not provide their date of birth, stating they would only comply if there was a court order. Under U.S. law, the police can issue a trespass warning without a judicial ruling, but citizens have the right to be informed of the specific reason. Refusing to provide personal information is legal if there is no reasonable request under the law, such as in an official investigation, while signing or not signing the notice doesn't affect the validity of the warning. Refusing to cooperate can lead to legal consequences, depending on the context and the handling by the authorities.
Okay, so I was told that you're getting a trespass warning
For what?
For City Hall.
For what? From who?
From Jacksonville Police Department.
Is it court ordered?
No, it's a trespass warning.
For what? For why?
I don't know the reason why. They just told me to come by and give you a trespass.
Okay,
if you'd
we
like
did
to talk to my sergeant about it, you can.
No, I want a court ordered from the judge. Done anything?
Okay, so you can either refuse to sign it or you can sign it. Either way, you're being trespassed.
I'm not signing anything. Okay. Refuse for.
Okay, what's your date of birth?
What's it matter?
I need your date of birth.
You don't need to have it.
I don't know why you're being difficult about
Because
it.
y'all harassing me.
It's not harassment.
Yes, it is.
City Hall recently?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
Well, I don't know why. They
I don't
told me
either.
that you gotta be
I don't either.
trespassed.
It's got to be court ordered or something. I want to know what I've done.
You know what? Here, let me call my sergeant.
Call
Let
your
me find
sergeant.
out, 'cause
Call your
he's
sergeant.
the one there. We'll find out.
We'll find out.
You understand? You have to identify yourself. And say
No, I
that,
don't.
so.
No, I don't.
For a
Am I
trespass
operating a vehicle?
That's not how that works.
Yes, it does. Yes, it is.
Arkansas is
Get
an
you,
actual
yeah, whatever.
state.
Whatever.
345, 315.
You come to my house and ask me my date of birth.
I'm doing a trespass warning.
I ain't done anything. I haven't done anything to warrant a trespass.
City Hall.
Then why are you harassing me?
Because I'm not harassing you.
Yeah, you
I'm
are.
doing my job.
You're harassing
You
me.
need to be trespassed from City Hall.
I haven't done anything. I haven't done anything to go to jail.
Okay, well, if you want to identify yourself, there's a strong possibility you will go to jail.
No, I won't. No, I'm not operating a vehicle.
No,
Am I being
you're not.
detained?
Yes, you're detained right now. Because
I'm not
doing
being
a trespass.
detained.
Yes, you are.
No,
I have
whatever.
to complete this trespass. You're being trespassed from City Hall.
No, I ain't done
This is what
anything.
drive.
Get your sergeant. That's fine.
He's on his way.
Good.
Okay.
It is.
It's not. I'm here for a lawful reason.
I ain't done anything.
Obviously, you did something at City Hall.
I haven't done one thing. Not one thing. That's for the people. You don't know what's going on. I'm recording you.
That's between you and them. I'm just here because
That's
I was
between-
told to come give you a trespass
And it's wrong.
warning.
I ain't done anything.
Okay. So all that's
Hey, oh,
more
yeah.
power to you.
That's good.
But I received a call saying I need to come here
That's fine.
and give you a trespass.
That's fine. They don't want council to know what's going on.
They don't want the council to know what's going on?
That's right. That's why they come on Thursday. But I've done everything. I've talked to the city attorney and everybody.
So you trying
I
to
talked to
figure
Miss
out-
Friedman, everyone. See, I used to work for City of Jacksonville,
Okay.
the garbage company.
Okay.
What
So
they're doing
you're
is
trying to
they're
get
dumping
information on it.
they're dumping illegal. They're going to the animal control to do that, and they let me go for no reason. They didn't tell me why. That's why I haven't done anything. Exactly.
Okay.
That's
See,
right.
I didn't know any of that.
Right.
All I got was a call saying, "Hey, it's from City Hall."
That's fine.
You see what I'm saying? But
I ain't done anything. I've never been detained. I got a clean record.
In order to do that, though, I just need to fill out your name. You don't need to sign it.
You just said I had to sign it.
You can either sign it or you can refuse to sign it.
See,
either way,
I'm not signing anything. I don't have to sign anything.
Okay, but you're still
Unless that comes from let it come from the judge. Well, we'll see.
Okay.
The citizen explained that they were fired for refusing to act unlawfully and insisted they had done nothing wrong. The police then arrived, clarifying that they were merely carrying out the task of delivering the trespass warning and asking the individual not to return to City Hall. Legally, under the 14th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, barring an individual from a public facility requires a clear and lawful reason, or it could be considered an illegal restriction of personal freedom. Meanwhile, the officer was simply following the government's orders. This action is legal as long as it doesn't violate the citizen's constitutional rights.
So.
Yeah, so by the way, exactly what I'm trying to tell you is this: I don't have to show you no identification.
Need your identification to fill out.
Am I loitering?
You're not loitering.
Am I being detained? That ain't how it works. That ain't how it works. I know the law, sir.
Okay.
I know the law.
Sergeant's on the way.
That's good.
So.
Waste time right now. Waste all taxpayers' money right now. That's fine.
Okay.
Protect and serve. Who give up on y'all? Y'all harass.
Okay.
You know, citizens are first.
That's your opinion.
It's right. I'm not giving you no information. They got all my information that want to be there, right?
I've never been out with you. I don't know who you are.
Exactly. You don't need to be.
Well, obviously, they don't want you to trespass from city.
That's fine.
So.
That's fine. This is harassment. This is. It's harassment, man. They don't want to go to City Hall. I'll work for the city of Jacksonville. What they do is wrong, and they know they're about to get slammed. No, I got fired for no reason. To the animal shelter and dump pets at landfill, which is against the law. Trash cans. All these trash cans are gonna have to be replaced. Those 3 trucks, white trucks, they're gonna have to be replaced. It's gonna be shut down. City attorney.
That's good. All right, so here's my sergeant.
Good. Moving y'all. All right. Blue here. 1, 2, 3. Hey Ben, how you doing?
Good, Sergeant Harness.
Nice to meet you. You didn't have anything. Y'all came to me.
Roger.
That's right.
I'm a sergeant.
Well, I said no. He said he's gonna call you. I didn't say call your sergeant or your field officer.
For the sergeant to come.
I didn't say that. My sergeant. You said if I didn't sign a piece of paper, your sergeant would come out here. And I said okay.
That's not what
We can rewind this. I got it all
I need
recorded.
some information about our day.
You got all the information. I work for the city of Jacksonville.
I don't know your date of birth.
Ask Charlotte. She'll tell you. She'll tell you. I haven't done anything wrong. I have not done one thing wrong.
Nobody said you done anything.
I haven't done anything.
We were asked to come out here and serve you with a sheet of paper that says you cannot come back to the city hall.
I haven't done
That is
anything.
part of our job.
I haven't done anything wrong.
Nobody said you had done anything wrong.
Then why are y'all here?
Because somebody asked us to trespass you from,
Get a court order.
or to trespass you
Yes,
from.
you do.
No, we don't.
Okay, that's fine. I'm not signing anything though. I've been advised by my attorney and Miss Friedman as well, your city attorney. Do not. I can show you the text.
All right. So, complete a 60. He's being advised he is not to step foot on Municipal Drive, the City Hall property. If he does, he will be arrested. You understand?
That's fine. I haven't done anything.
Foot at City Hall.
I don't want to go to City
you'll be
Hall.
arrested,
I don't want to
okay?
go to City Hall.
All
But I want to know why I can't go to City Hall. What have I done?
I don't know why they don't want you there.
Because
it's our job to tell
because
you.
they don't want they don't want to go to the council meeting. That's why.
They don't want you there. Okay. Okay. It's not for us. That's not our job to decide what you have and haven't done.
That's fine.
Our job is to tell you you're not welcome
All right.
back.
Channel 7's gonna love y'all.
Will you sign this form?
I'm not
saying
signing
you
anything. I'm not signing anything.
All you're doing is saying you understand. You
I'm
cannot
not
go
signing
back
anything. I can't write my hand. My hand's messed up. I'm right-handed.
there. And he was told verbally by us not to go back and give him the report number if he wants to.
For no disclosed reason whatsoever.
Okay.
I got everything right here on the camera. Y'all have a great day.
In this case, the citizen has the right to refuse to sign and not provide information without a court order or suspicion of criminal activity. If barred from a public place without a clear reason, they can request an explanation or file a complaint. Always stay calm, record the situation, and consult a lawyer when necessary. Let's analyze the citizens' rights and the actions of the police in this video to better understand the rights and duties of both parties.
Nice to meet you. Are you Officer Hill?
Yes, sir.
This gentleman here is confused about county and city property. He said it's private, right? This officer here told me that
In September 2019, at a parking lot near the Richmond County Police Office, the filmer approached a parking lot that Officer Strickland claimed was private property. However, under the law, if the parking lot does not have signs prohibiting or restricting access, it is still considered a public space. While the police can ask citizens not to interfere with or obstruct the agency's activities, moving around in a public area is not a violation unless there is harassment or illegal conduct. Also, under the First Amendment, citizens have the right to film in public spaces, unless the filming disrupts or invades the privacy of others. The police must provide legal justification when asking a citizen to leave or stop filming, which was not made clear in this case.
Hold on for a second.
Yeah, just
Major Strickland.
Yes,
so what
sir.
you're telling me is that this isn't open to the public? I'm not a vehicle. I'm not parking here. It doesn't
Okay.
say I can't walk through here.
well, I'm asking you. To
Oh, so it's
leave
a
our
personal request. I want to request you get in your car and get out of here, okay? Yeah.
property. How it works.
Okay, well, let's find out how it's going to work. Go ahead.
Step over there, sir.
I am. This is Major Strickland. He's going to tell me that it's a personal request that I leave the parking lot.
I don't have a unit to meet me in the
It's actually
I just need one.
2 units. Tell me you need 2.
10-4.
2 units.
No 13s.
Tell me you need 2 units.
Whatever facilitates you happiness. Just step over here for me, please.
And then you're going to ask me to step over there? Brother, listen, I just listen. I come here to get my information and I'm leaving, okay? But I can see through your window, brother. Well, if there's nothing there, why you roll your window up? So Major Strickland here operates under personal request and not law.
I'm telling no, it's the employees of the sheriff's
Is
office.
there a statute to back that up?
Is
Your
it?
cat got your tongue. Is there a penal code that backs that up? Judge or your sheriff that legalizes that statement that you made? No, there isn't. There's a sign that says employee parking, correct? Personnel? You look like you've seen a ghost. That answers my question. Get in your car. It's simple.
No, that's
Yeah,
not how
it
works,
is.
sir.
Well, it's going to work that
No,
way.
I don't know what best facilitates your happiness. I know
What I'm doing,
I
and
do.
you still got out your car to ask for my license. Do you see how you just made yourself look dumb doing? But he got out his car to ask me for my license, but he
No,
knows
I know
what
what
I'm
you're
doing.
doing with the video and how
I'm
you
gonna do what was
get your
supposed to be done.
entertainment.
It is,
Yes,
since
sir.
I haven't been told to do anything.
Okay.
Am I still free to go since you told me to
See you
leave?
later.
I'm
Go to?
Huh?
Am I free to go?
not-
Hey, brother, how you
detaining
doing?
you.
I'm David.
not
Nice to meet you,
detaining
brother.
I'm
So
not detaining you. You've expressed your interest to leave.
this is how. No, I'm not interested in leaving. You're trying to make me leave. I'm not interested in leaving. I just want to intense on him, and then I'm leaving.
Officer Strickland asked the filmer to leave, but later admitted that they had the right to stay, creating a contradiction in the police's actions. Under the Fourth Amendment, the police cannot ask someone to leave without a valid reason. The filmer referenced their right to self-defense, but self-defense is only justified when there is a real threat. The police must maintain a safe distance and act within the bounds of the law. The filmer criticized the lack of professionalism from the police, which is protected under the First Amendment, but the police should remain calm to avoid escalating the situation.
All right, you're here, but you chose to get out your car and bark
Okay,
unlawful
go
commands.
about your business.
So why you get out your car then?
Go about your business.
And that thin blue line. Now you getting upset. Now I'm staying right here.
Okay.
Okay, I'm fine.
Okay.
You're on the clock. You got a job to do. And I'm sure the mayor or your sheriff wouldn't appreciate you
I don't
wasting
work-
tax dollars.
I don't work for the mayor.
Oh, you don't? Well, the sheriff wouldn't mind you just sitting here wasting tax dollars. Unless you're going to say you don't give a shit. Sheriff thinks. You do. I can see her all day. Okay. But don't leave. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for your professionalism, sir. I don't get why. I appreciate
I
that.
thought you were wanting to leave. So now you want to stay?
So it goes from him thinking we're wanting to leave to him telling us that we had.
It was clear that I could leave when I wanted to.
Yeah.
That I wasn't being detained. That's what my question.
Okay.
Strickland.
No, I've told you that you're free to go at any time.
So I'm
that
free to
you'd
go,
like
which means I'm free to stay as well, right? So why did you tell me when you first got a car that I had to leave? I'm not doing this to you. You was on the platform to do the right thing. That's what I wanted you to do.
Okay.
How it is to wear that badge every day. You was on a platform to do the right thing, and this is what you chose
I
to
asked
do?
you what you were doing. You were placing our vehicles under.
Did you, or did you not tell me that? You told me I had to leave.
I'm asking
You
you
told
to
me I had
leave.
to leave.
Okay.
So now you know the platform you're on.
I do know what you're
and you
doing.
and you had the opportunity to do the right
I do know
thing.
what you're doing.
So why did you choose to do the wrong thing if you know what I'm doing? You my assertion.
No.
See, that's what I'm saying.
You were just interested. Okay, ask your question. How can I?
It's up to Walmart, and I walk up to it and I'm looking at it because I've never seen one with such dark tint on it before.
Yes, sir.
What's that? Would he say I'm surveying his car because it's not in this parking lot? Or would he simply say, oh, well, what are we doing? But you just chose to say that we were surveilling the vehicle.
You were surveilling
which means
the
that we
vehicles,
have
right?
some.
But we've ran into 3 other officers here that.
Hang on.
Please go ahead.
Taxpayer interest in-
Oh yeah, I'm interested in this
You are surveilling
one.
the vehicles. There's no question about it. Wanted to look at it, that would be fine.
Are we in public now?
Huh?
Are we in public
Your
now?
own area.
If you can hunt, you can hear. You look like you done seen a couple of ghosts this conversation, brother. Tongue stuck.
First of all, I'm not your brother.
You
And
are my
second of
brother.
all-
You're my family.
second
I love
of
you.
all,
You're my brother and I love
appreciate
you.
that.
Thank you.
Second of all,
How you doing, partner? You're blocking this man way. Can you get out the way? You're blocking this man way right here. Yeah, that's called impeding traffic.
The Georgia traffic code.
No, obviously you're not, because you're parked right here on the wrong side of the road.
The property is impeding.
Oh,
the
is it
free flow
private?
of-
Is this private?
Yes. it
Please
is.
put your foot. This is private. County property. So you're telling me county property is private? Hey, brother, how you doing? Property private. It's tax funded, right?
Pardon me?
It's city and county property tax funded. Have a sign saying that personnel access only. You've made yourself like a complete ass. Go over there, please. Complain about my language because I have a right to my First Amendment. Please get out my face.
First of all,
Get out my face.
I'm not leaving.
Get out my face.
No.
Safety, okay? And you have no lawful reason to stand right here, okay? So if I feel threatened, I would defend myself, okay? That's not a threat on your life. Back up. Okay, all right. Anything past this point, I've done nothing wrong to you.
If you invite
If
violence against
I'm not
me,
inciting
it's not an
violence,
issue.
I'm inviting my safety.
we're-
I say, okay,
we're gonna stand
you gonna
here
stand right there and won't move,
tonight.
and you won't move a foot closer. That's where you gonna stand at. And all lawful arrests
You're
can
not
be.
being detained. And you're not being
I'm just letting you know that. So you have no lawful reason to put your hands on me. You are.
don't plan on
Or it's gonna be a
doing
lot of
that.
cars moved around here, okay? Please don't touch me. Just stay right there.
Okay.
How you doing, brother? I'm David. This gentleman here is confused about county and city property. He said it's private, right?
First of all-
You said it. I'm done talking to you. Shut up, please. City and county property is private. We all out here know.
I appreciate your.
Yeah.
You're done.
Hey, listen. Thank you for removing him, so he don't look as bad as you look, all right? Because the whole city's gonna see this. Be great here.
Okay.
And you're a major Strickland, all right?
Yes, sir.
Is your family on the internet? Because everybody's gonna see this. You're now on the internet, and they shouldn't watch it if they don't want to see dad or husband look like a fool, because that's what you are. They're professional. But you chose to get out of the car and open your mouth, and then this happened. Still standing here watching. See that?
He can do whatever you want.
But you just told him he can go. So
I
if he
said
can do what he
go.
want, why couldn't he stay here and talk? You make yourself. Now you're making him leave. After you said he's free to do what he wants. People like you. I really do. You're so upset, but you know you have no legal regards to this right here. Have my camera, I'd probably have a bullet in me right now, wouldn't I? You hate it.
I'm not upset.
You are upset.
I don't think what you're doing.
You're upset.
No.
It's fine. Your ego has allowed you to stand here longer than you wanted to, because you're staying here longer than you wanted to. And we all can agree to it. Now, whether or not they're going to correct you in public, that's on them. That's between y'all and internal affairs.
With internal
No. Oh, it's fine, because more than just me is going to speak with internal affairs about Major Strickland. Don't worry about it. Officer, after you told he can leave, he's still right there.
I wouldn't have left.
Hey, look, now he's going to tell him to leave again. After he told him he's free to do whatever he wants to do.
You have the right to move, film, and express yourself freely in public under the First Amendment. The police cannot ask you to leave without a valid reason. If threatened, you have the right to defend yourself, but the police must also act according to the law. The right to remain silent under the Fifth Amendment helps citizens protect themselves from unfair treatment.
What happened, honestly, I'm going to use my right to made me after what you guys did to me.
In May 2023, a citizen refused to let the police into their home without a search warrant, stating that their home had been illegally searched in the past. They requested to speak with a higher-ranking officer to resolve the matter. Under the Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, citizens have the right to be free from unreasonable searches and seizures, and the police cannot enter a home without a valid search warrant or lawful reason. A police entry without a warrant could violate a citizen's privacy rights. Requesting to speak with a higher-ranking officer is a citizen's right to ensure transparency and fairness in law enforcement.
About yourself.
I'm here on a follow-up. I believe you spoke with Officer Janiga about a pig in your basement. Is that correct?
The police report, I don't see anything about a pig.
Yes, ma'am. So I believe that the officers came here and they found a pig that it was removed from the property. Because
Okay, well, there's no pig here, and there's nothing in the report that states anything about a pig, and nobody's already tried doing that on the. So I'm not allowing officers in my house or anybody else without a warrant. Okay. Or message them, let them know the cops are. Legally searched and seized 1 week ago today, and I know that I'm not going to fall for the same stuff as you guys.
So we have, video body camera of a pig being.
Again, that was also without a warrant coming into my house.
I'm just letting you know from where we're at.
Tree?
Well, I'm just saying.
And I'm saying that there's no pig here now in my house.
So we can't check to see if
I am not allowing you in my house.
So now the next step's going to be you're going to be issued a ticket. Also going to be contacted.
CPS has already been contacted, so that's fine.
Oh yeah, it'll be contacted again.
Okay, that's fine.
And I mean that. Corporal Medici 526.
Okay, and what is yours?
Officer Masood, number 1218.
Want you can bring Lieutenant Bazzi down here, who I've been discussing this whole case with.
You're requesting him?
I am
you can
requesting.
Call the station and speak to him.
Well, technically, it's my right as a citizen, which I'm asking for Lieutenant Bazzi, who's already been on the case, and I know that he's working. I would like to speak to him.
Call my boss. It would go from him because I got to go with my chain of command. So, but pig inside your property.
There's no pig on my property.
All right. Then we gotta go. The boss, okay?
Yep. So are you going to be staying here and then coming back, or can I go back because I have cancer and...
We'll probably be back, so I mean, if you want to wait a few minutes and then give me a couple minutes to call.
The citizen asserted their right to refuse the police entry without a valid search warrant, based on the Fourth Amendment, which protects citizens' right to privacy in their homes. The police cannot enter a home without a court order or clear legal justification. The citizen also invoked the Fifth Amendment, the right to remain silent, to refuse to answer the police's questions, thereby protecting themselves from self-incrimination. Additionally, the citizens spoke out against threats of involvement from CPS, Child Protective Services, asserting that they were not violating child-rearing duties and that any intervention must follow the proper legal procedures.
I've already spoke to Sergeant Kosk. Yep.
Yeah, I'm Sergeant Thompson. How are you?
Your officers want to come into my home after you guys have already illegally searched my home. Pig here. I'm saying that there's not a pig here, and I'm not opening my door. Lieutenant Bazzi, we're working on everything, including the cams. And there's nothing in the, just like I'm recording right at the moment as well for my own, because you guys wouldn't let me have the phone on.
Recording right now.
Yeah.
So you no longer have the pig here in the state?
Not here.
Okay. Can I ask where it may be? Just for...
What happened, honestly, I'm going to use my right, made me, after what you guys did to me, like on the 5th. I've learned a lot about my constitution. Use it to remain silent.
Okay, I can appreciate that too.
Thing to hide. Just the fact that I don't feel like I need to answer that question. I'm telling you that there's no pig here. Anything that was possibly seen would have been fruit of a poisonous tree anyway.
Doing your research.
Yes, I have.
That's quite impressive.
Yes, I have. Most definitely. You guys quite inspired me while I was detained and grieved over somebody else calling and making a false report about me wanting to commit suicide.
Let me ask you this.
I'd have to re-record.
Let's just do that. Do we have a telephone number for you?
Yep. I think I might have even talked to you.
No,
there's a gentleman that looks like you in the office.
You're new to me, so lives in the house?
Yep.
Is it, do you have significant grandparents?
Yes, I have.
All the above? Or?
No, not all the above, but I have 2.
2 children?
A husband.
Okay. All right.
I'm here by myself.
Okay.
Only was walking to work.
Am I understanding that you wanted to see a supervisor out here?
I was a little reluctant on it, and the fact that I've been in touch since Cinco de Mayo when my house was searched over we're not even gonna get into all that.
Let's
but the point is that after 6 of your sergeants, and me and Lieutenant Bazzi are working together, and he is going through the body cams of that day.
Okay.
And we have already started to try to work on things. I also spoke with, I told you today, after Get Me Anybody, I made sure that I called your police department, going to put a note in and email Lieutenant Bazzi about this situation because of occurred, and I don't feel safe with you guys in my house. Officers came in without their masks and gloves, and I have cancer, actually when it's a law by our governor, and they come into my home. So I'm telling you guys, I wasn't suicidal. This time I hope that you guys can learn to believe and appreciate your citizens as the jobs that you guys do. As your sergeants, other sergeants, and your lieutenant will tell you that I'm very respectful, hard work that you guys do, and we support you guys 100%. But I also have a duty to stick up for my own amendment rights. A special dog. He's just watching you guys. He's very friendly. He wouldn't try to eat you guys.
I thank you for you give us.
Oh, I definitely do.
And
I appreciate the job that you guys do.
We'll just like we would any other, and we'll go from there. But
that's CPS.
Okay.
Because CPS is already involved.
Okay.
So CPS, I'm going to call CPS on you kind of thing, because I am not a negligent mother. I'm not doing anything wrong. That's your guys' prerogative, and that's something that I'll have to deal with, but I will tell the lady the same thing as I did last time, through the Zoom or the Facebook or whatever she wants to do it with, like she did before.
Okay. Without a warrant.
Without a warrant, or or being committed. No, trust me, because I don't want to sound stupid when I talk to you guys, disobey the law and commit a crime myself. So I'm for your guys's and my children as well, because one of my
The citizen has the right to refuse police entry without a valid search warrant and the right to remain silent to avoid self-incrimination. Properly exercising these rights not only protects the individual, but also contributes to building a society that upholds the rule of law. So, through the situations above, I hope you've gained useful knowledge about citizens' rights when facing the police. While things may not always be easy, understanding your rights will help you feel more confident in any situation. The law isn't something distant. It is a tool to protect us and maintain social order. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so we can continue exploring more interesting topics together. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. We can learn from each other and build a community of smart, informed citizens who respect the law. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.